spark plug removal on the 2024 Audi Q5.
Alright, so I'm using a 10mm wrench, put it on the bottom so I can remove the top nut. Also a 10mm. And then you move the bottom bolt. Also 10mm. On the side. Then we're gonna remove the connector. There's a little lock clip right here. Just move it up. Push it down. So in order to remove these, you have to remove a little bit of this one and this one. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that too as well. Okay. So you wanna grab this little connector thing. Push it. There we go. I'm gonna remove this one too as well to give it some slack. Move it out of the way. And then the way you move these, move this one too as well. So a little bit of space. Same thing, has a little lock. Push it down. And it just slides up. I'm gonna wiggle it. There we go. That's okay. So I'm using a socket, spark plug socket. It's a 5/8. So I'm gonna put that in. Ratchet to speed up the process. And there's a spark plug. Alright, putting the spark plug back in. So we want to hand tighten first. Put some couple threads in. Use my electric ratchet. There we go. And then the Torx specs, it's gonna be 20. Remove that. Then obviously put back the coils, make sure it sits all the way. Push these toe clips. Back the clips. Disconnect it back in. Same thing. Clips. Go ahead, put the bolt in. Start it a little bit. Turn it back up. Okay. Put this ground back on. Use a 10 wrench in the bottom to hold it.